Namaskaram. My name is Vaibhav. In today's video, we'll be practicing Hatha Yoga asanas to remove belly fat, the stubborn belly fat. So, how to do the practice? We'll be doing each asana twice and we'll take a break in between each asana in each round and then we'll just follow the instructions. To begin the practice, I will be chanting a mantra. Please join your hands in a Namaste position. Close your eyes. As I'm chanting mantra, please pray in your own words. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Paschantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Pardon here to the Supreme Being, to your Guru. Slowly bring your head up, open your eyes. Let's begin the practice. The first asana we're going to be doing is Naukachal which means rowing the boat. So what are we going to do? We're going to bring our legs in front, straight legs. Okay. Now let's learn first. So you're going to holding like you're getting ready to row the boat. You're going to go forward. When you go forward, don't bend your knees. You're going to go forward all the way, try to reach towards your toes or maybe ahead of your toes. Then you're going to go back, lean back, and again reach forward and lean back. So when you're going forward, you're going to exhale. When you're going to go back, we're going to inhale. We're going to do this 20 times. So hold, inhale to prepare. And let's go move forward. 1, as you exhale, inhale, reach back. 2, leaning back is important. 3, don't bend your knees. 4, 5, make sure you're not rushing into it. 6, keep breathing through your nose. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, keep breathing, 12, 13, you may definitely feel engagement of your abdominal muscles, 14, 15, 16, 17, we're going to go 3 more, keep breathing, 18, 19, 20, finish it all the way back and come center. Sit with crossed legs and rest for a few breaths. Notice the effect. Try to sit straight so that your abdominal muscles are getting stretched as well. Notice how the breath has changed. Anytime you do something which requires more effort in the body, your breath changes. Breathe only through your nose. Try to take deeper breaths. We're going to do this one more time. You can open the eyes. Let's begin. Legs in front, hands in front. Inhale to prepare. As you exhale, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go all the way back. 4, 5, 6, 7, very good, keep breathing. 8, keep your legs straight when you go forward. 9, 10, let's go 10 more, push yourself. 11, requires hard work. 12, consistency is required. 13, breathe through your nose. 14, as you go forward, exhale. As you go back, inhale. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, finish it all the way back and come to center. Sit with crossed legs, rest Notice the effect in your belly, abdominal muscles. You may feel a little challenging initially, but if you do it regularly, you'll notice it'll become more in control. You'll be more in control of the practice. Alright, open the eyes. The next one, we're going to go Falakasana, also known as plank, but we're going to be doing elbow planks, which is more comfortable for most of the people. So what are we going to do? We're going to come on the knees, then you're going to come on your elbows. Okay, you can interlace your fingers like this. Now try to keep your elbow in line with the shoulder, so make sure it's not out. Elbows underneath your shoulders. Then you stretch your leg back, one leg, other leg, and look in front. So make sure when you do that, your hip is not up, your hip is not dropping, your shoulder and your hip and your heel in one line. So let's come to the practice, to this position. Look in front and keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bring your knees down and sit back. Either you can sit in Vajrasana or you can drop down in Shashangasana. Both are fine. Take rest for a few breaths. We'll repeat one more time after the rest. Breathe only through your nose. Alright, slowly come up. Let's do it one more time. Coming on the elbows. Make sure your elbow in line with the shoulder, underneath your shoulder. Stretch one leg, stretch your other leg. Your hip and shoulder in one line. Look in front. Keep breathing through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep breathing. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bring your knees down and sit back again, either in Vajrasana or Shashankasana. And continue to breathe through your nose. Both these asanas are also very good for the digestive system. When you're working on the abdominal muscle, we are not only working on the muscles, but we are working on our internal organs, especially your digestive system. It strengthens your digestive system, which helps us to keep the immunity in balance. Alright, open the eyes. The next asana, we're going to go Uttarasana, Camel Pose, backward bending. So we're going to go easy version. What we're going to go, come up on our knees hip distance apart. Place your hands on the hips, thumbs on either side of the spine. Push your elbows back, open the chest. Do as much as you can. You don't have to go all the way back. If you cannot go easy. Okay, idea is to stretch the muscles, stretch the belly in order to feel or release the pressure or the fat. Breathe out. As you breathe in, push your hip forward and lean back. And stay there. We're going to stay there for 10 counts. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come center. Come down. This is also very good for your back. It improves the back, removes the stiffness, brings flexibility to the back, and remove the belly fat, the stubborn belly fat. Let's rest for a few breaths. Then we're going to repeat it. After this, the practice will become a little easy if you're finding it hard already. But if you're finding it easy, then you will feel even better. Let's do it one more time. Come up on your knees hip distance apart. Place your hands on the hips, thumbs on either side of the spine. Push your elbows back, fingers facing forward. Breathe out. As breathing, push your hip forward and lean back. Look at the back wall. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come center. Sit back. Uttarasana, Camel Pose. Very good for the back as well as for your digestive system. It also helps to open the heart chakra. It works great in your navel chakra and your heart chakra. Alright, open the eyes. Now we're going to lie down on our belly. We're going to practice Bhujangasana. And again, we are doing the same stretch what we did in Camel Pose, stretching the belly muscles, stretching the internal organs, stretching the digestive system in order to release that fat which becomes tight. So to remove the belly fat, you have to loosen it up, you have to stretch, you have to separate them. So we are separating by stretching. So let's lie down on our belly, on our mat. Now, keep your feet together. Place your hand underneath your chin. So place your left hand down first, place your right hand on top of it, and place your chin on top of your back of the right hand. Now you can watch once what we're going to do. Now as you inhale, you're going to push your hands against the floor and rise up and look up. So idea is to stretch your elbows straight. If you cannot, that's okay. You can keep it here, but keep your hands on top of each other. Same time, you're not lifting your pelvic off the ground. Keep your pelvic on the ground, okay? So, breathe out to prepare. As you inhale, push your hands against the floor, rise up, look up. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. 10 counts are good enough. You can also do 20 counts as you gain strength, as you gain flexibility, as you gain control. We'll be doing one more time. Breathe out to prepare. As you inhale, push your hands against the floor, rise up, lengthen your arms, lengthen your spine, chin up, look up. Try to look up towards the ceiling and keep breathing through your nose. We're going to go 15 counts this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep breathing. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Slowly come down. Rest for a few breaths. You can place your chin on the hand, or you can place your forehead on your hand. We're going to do one more asana. It's called Dhanurasana. Also, it's a backward bending bow pose. So, what we're going to do is we're going to bend our knees, hold our ankles. The idea is to lift your chest off the ground and you lift your thighs off the ground. So, most of the people try to do this and they cannot lift the thighs. So, what I would recommend you to think of lifting your thighs up. Even if it's a little bit, think of lifting of thighs up, and as you're lifting, try to pull your legs away from you. Now when you push your legs away, automatically your chest will come up. So don't focus on the chest too much. Think of lifting your thighs up. Okay, we're going to go 10 counts only. Breathe out. And as you inhale, push your legs up, push your thighs up. And keep breathing. 1, look up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. Rest. Watch your breath. We're going to do one last time. Bend both your knees. Try to hold your ankle. Head to the ground. Breathe out. As you breathe in, lift your thighs up. And as you're lifting, push your legs away and keep lifting your chest up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. And slowly come down and rest. Now slowly turn around, lie down on your back. This was our last asana. Keep your feet apart, hands by your side, palms facing up. Loosen up the body. Rest for a few moments. Breathe through your nose. As you inhale, belly rise up. As you exhale, belly goes down. It's rest, which is very important for the body. as some of the asanas you may not do it regularly. So your body may get some shock, your mind may get some shock. So when you rest in Shavasana, you allow the mind and body to relax and feel that what you did was a conscious effort. It was not an accident. It is a conscious effort so that the body and mind can relax and feel great. As you inhale, belly rise up. As you exhale, belly falls down. Keep your eyes closed. Keep the body loose. Rest for a few more moments in stillness. Notice how your breath is flowing. Notice how you're feeling. Where is your mind? Keep your mind involved in resting. Don't be involved in any thought. Just rest for a few moments in stillness. Alright, slowly wiggle your toes, move your fingers, move your head side to side. Bring your feet together, bend your knees. Now roll on the left side and push yourself to bring yourself to come in sitting position. Sit with crossed legs, keep your eyes closed. Hands on your knees, palms facing up. To finish our practice, we're going to chant Om 3 times. Join hands in Namaste position. Breathe in. Down your head. Thank the divinity, the supreme power, this universe, and your inner self for always guiding you, protecting you, and keeping you safe. Rub your palms together, generate some heat. Place your palms over your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Bring your hands down, look at your palms and your fingers, and release your hands down. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Now make sure that you do it regularly in order to remove that stubborn belly fat. The stubborn is not going to get at one practice. You have to do it regularly and you'll definitely feel the difference within the 3 to 4 weeks if you do it consistently. If you like the video, please share it with others and please subscribe to our channel and let me know if there is any suggestion, anything in particular you want to work on, and I'll make a video for you. Thank you so much. Om Shanti.